Welcome to my YouTube channel, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. Thank you. Give the video a like and share it. Thank you so much. So I'm going to show you a life hack on how to keep your refrigerator shining on the outside. It's very simple, but for now let me show you how my fridge looks on the inside. But it's a 3-star fridge, a defrost. So let's see on the inside how it looks. So that's the freezer part. We have an ice cube tray. Then the down part, which is the main refrigerator. It has those compartments. It came with an egg tray and also this for holding grains, fresh grains and fruits. So yeah, that's how it looks. So let's go. So first of all, you start by wiping the dirt off with a clean cloth neatly, all the 4 corners. Yes, then you go in with this one. You spray a little bit, just a little bit. Then using a clean cloth, you wipe it off and you will see the difference. This is a game changer, guys. This is a game changer. Try it and you'll give back your reviews. See how it's shining. So thank you so much for watching until the end. Remember to subscribe, leave a comment and give the video a like.